Hi guys! Kamusta? Kamusta ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing well. So, for today's vlog, tayo ay gagawa ng isang masarap na crepes! So yes, bumabalik ang ating cooking episodes kahit na hindi tayo masyadong masarap magluto. At least we tried, diba? So, wala nang eme-eme. Let's start this vlog! Let's go! Okay, good morning guys! I feel like eating crepes right now. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa fridge natin. So, let's see kung meron tayong... Oh, here. Yes. And strawberries. Meron tayong strawberries in this. I know we have flour, mga sugar, and syempre meron din tayong Nutella. Kaya tamang-tama, pwede tayong gumawa ng crepes. Let's make crepes! Alright, so we're ready to make crepes, guys. We have all of our ingredients here. We have all-purpose flour, so 1 cup ng all-purpose. So I'm using 1 cup ng all-purpose flour. We have warm water. This is 1.5 cup. And we also have warm milk, 1 cup ng milk. 4 large eggs, 4 tablespoons ng melted butter, and 1 tablespoon ng sugar. And then, for our filling, or yung ating palaman, we could use banana, but I don't really like banana sa crepes, but this is an option. Most of the crepes, they put banana. So, if you like banana, you could put banana. Our spread would be Nutella. You could also use some peanut butter if you'd like. Blueberries, this one I love blueberries, and I already cut some strawberries as well. Okay, and then dun sa ibabaw niya, you could also use confectionery or powdered sugar. Ito. And if you wanted to be more extra, pwede mong i-drizzle ng dark chocolate. Yan, di ba? Yummy. Okay, so let's start making it. Oh, I also forgot, guys. We'll put salt. Okay, guys. So, unahin na natin yung mga wet ingredients natin, which is yung ating water. By the way, I am using our blender for this one, okay? And our milk. Nagkalat pa ako. Our eggs. Way! Ah! Ano ba yan? My gosh! Egg lang, hindi marunong balat. Oh. This is the last egg. There you go. Yan. And then, ating melted butter. Our sugar. Last is yung ating flour. And then, let's add a little bit of salt. That's good. So now, let's bring this to blend. There you go. Tingnan natin kung nakamix na siya lahat. Ooh. So, we're gonna let it sit hanggang sa mawala yung bubbles niya. But I think everything is mixed. Yan. Wow. Okay, that's perfect. Alright, so magpapahit na tayo ng ating pan. medyo bumaba na ng konti yung bubbles. Pinapaintay lang natin para mawala yung bubbles nito. But I think it's ready. So, we're gonna heat up our pan. And then I will use this non-stick. There you go. So now, we're gonna spray our pan nitong cooking spray. It's a butter flavor na cooking spray. Although meron na tong butter, I still wanna add cooking spray para hindi siya talaga delicate. Yan. Okay, so we're gonna use half cup. Wonder kung okay na siyang i-flip. So, let's try getting... Oh, it's so soft. Masyadong soft, guys. Okay. I think... Oh, ay! So yummy. Paano natin siya i-flip? Dito ako nahirapan. Mahirap i-flip. Flip eh. Flip. Mainit pa. Sobrang init. Grabe. Woo! Init. Si Papa magaling mag-ano nito. Mag-ganito eh. Ipi-flip yung ano. Like, he's really good. Donut! Donut sira. Please. Masira siya. Huwag kang masira. Parang awa mo na. Gusto kitang kainin. Huwag kang masira. Yan. Whew! My goodness. Hindi ka na yun ah. There! Na-flip natin. Guys, excited na akong kumain. Merienda natin to. Kasi ano na yun, alauna na. Mag-aalauna medyo na. It's merienda time! Yan. So, siguro okay na to. Let's get our plate. And then, mamaya, I think si Jojoy darating eh. Yay! We got our first wrap. Oh, wow. Wrap. 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 And then, isa pa ulit. Okay, guys. So, we're just gonna continue cooking itong ating butter hanggang sa makarami tayo. And there's a lot more. So, habang tayo ay nagluluto pa ng ating butter, ibabalot na natin itong ibang nagawa natin. Okay? Gusto ko siyang lagyan ng Nutella. I prefer Nutella. But I don't like it too sweet. Yan lang. Spreadan lang natin ng konti. Nutella is good, pero it's too sweet for me. So, kaya konti lang. So now, let's add some blueberries. Yan. I love blueberries, guys. And then some strawberries, of course. Yan. Yan. And we could wrap it. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. It doesn't have to be a really nice wrap. Diba? Oh, nag-open up siya, oh. No, but that's okay. Yan. So now, let's do another one. Or itong medyo crunchy-crunchy ng konti. Look at that. Wow. And guys, I'm gonna make some coffee with our merienda. This is good with coffee. Gagawa tayo ng latte after this. Yan. Some people, especially yung mga kabataan, prefer to have a lot of Nutella, but not me. Okay? Very simple, guys, no? Napaka-simple ng ating merienda. Easy to make, kumbaga. Yan. And then let's wrap it one more time. And then yan. Oh. For our powdered sugar. Yan. And we will drizzle it with our dark chocolate. And that is our final result ng ating crepes. So, naubos ko na yung isa. I'm gonna make coffee because this is really good with coffee, guys. Sarap niya. Sobrang sarap niya, promise. Promise. So, I should have put less Nutella kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga sweets. But, yung tanginess nung blueberry tsaka ng strawberry, lumalaban dun sa sweetness ng Nutella. Go try it and see.
There's a Nutella.
Inside already.
Huh?
I spread it.
Oh.
There's a spread of Nutella inside. It's okay?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. Another cooking episode dito sa channel natin. So, napakasimple ng crepes na to. So, gawa na kayo. Ang sarap niya. And I'm not gonna lie, masarap siya. Sobrang sarap. So again, I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!